Now let's talk about the history of Immaculate Conception Church here in Balayan, Batangas. The church origins trace back to 1582, soon after the town of Balayan was established in 1581 by Spanish friars. Initially made of bamboo and palm, it reflected indigenous building techniques. By 1600, the church was reconstructed using stone, marking the area's growing Catholic community. It was dedicated to the Immaculate Conception, celebrating Mary's conception without original sin. Over the centuries, the church has undergone significant renovations, notably from 1870 to 1876. It was reconstructed under Father Juan Maria de la Cruz. The current Baroque style features intricate facades and grand altars, while the interiors are adorned with stunning stained glass windows that depict biblical stories. In summary, the Immaculate Conception Church stands as a remarkable testament to centuries of faith and artistry in Balayan. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into historical sites. See you next time!